Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now, I will show you how to send a GIF to WhatsApp on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Then here we choose. You can send a voice message. You can send a video. We click here. And then we're going to choose GIF. And then we have the most popular and trending GIS. We choose any one and send it. I click on send. It's downloading. The GIF is sent. Now we can click here again and select GIF and use the search box. And then we can search for any letter. And we'll find the GIS that we're looking for. We can click send and select, and we had it sent. This is how easy it is to send absolutely any GIF in WhatsApp on your iOS devices, namely on the iPhone. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. If you liked this video, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.